This is the Bialetti pasta pot. This is a really great pot for cooking pasta. What I really liked about this here, you could let the water out right here. It strains out right from the same pot. You just turn the lid right here. It just slides right on. You got the holes to drain it right here. This is a really great pot. You can see here, it does have the lip to pour the water out here. And it just locks into place just like that. So it's very easy to use, just to lock in either way. And then the handles are very safe and secure. And I like that it's all red too. It goes with our kitchen decor. This is a really great pot. Bialetti I'm a repeat buyer of this brand. We have other items from this line here. It's just a really nice product. Again, this is red. It does come in other colors. It also comes in black. Very heavy duty. These things last a long time. 5.2 liters. Got plenty of room here to boil a bunch of pasta. Just does a really tremendous job. Very happy with it. Highly recommend picking one of these up. It is dishwasher safe. It's very easy to clean. Highly recommend this brand and this pasta pot here. It's great.